In this episode, we'll go through the step-by-step process of using an RV public dump station with my 2020 Keystone Bullet 243 BHS travel trailer. While you may have a different RV, most of these steps should apply to your situation as long as you have a single sewer outlet on your RV. If your RV has separate gray and black tank sewer outlets, I have a specific video that speaks to using a public dump station for RVs with separate sewer outlets. Hey everybody, I'm John Marucci. I'm an avid traveler and teacher and love to explore. In 2016, I decided to travel by RV and have never looked back. I've had my share of problems along the way, and being a teacher by nature, I've tried to turn these problems into help for others. Whether you're new to RV travel or experienced, you're in the right place. So let's jump in. Before starting the process, stage your gloves, bleach wipes, your black tank flush hose, and a small trash bag to be easily accessible when arriving at the dump station. I use a small container that has my disposable gloves and wipes that I keep in the bed of my truck. Once at the dump station, pull your RV close enough to the dump station so that the sewer hose isn't too taut. You never want to have the sewer hose stretched too far, or it will pull out of the dump station inlet when the hose is pressurized. Next, remove the stage supplies, put on the gloves, and remove a bleach wipe once you're in position. I use the 5mm blue disposable gloves. Next, remove your stowed sewer hose, assemble it if needed, and connect it to the RV's sewer tank outlet. Before doing so, check that the black and gray tank valves are fully closed. Then ensure the hose connector is firmly attached to the RV's tank outlet. Next, connect the sewer hose to the dump station inlet. If there is a metal lid to the inlet, rest it on the sewer hose outlet. Ensure that the sewer hose is sitting securely in the dump station inlet and recheck that the sewer hose isn't too taut. Next, open the black tank valve and begin draining the tank. Always drain the black tank first, as the gray tank water will later be used to clean out the sewer residue in the hose. As the sewer hose fills with waste, double check that there are no sewage leaks. Allow the black tank contents to drain thoroughly. This will take several minutes. Next, get out your black tank flush hose. Before connecting the black tank flush hose to your RV, clean the non-potable water hose outlet or dump station hose with a bleach wipe. I sanitize this because people often use this hose to clean the inside of their sewer hose. Next, connect your black tank flush hose to the non-potable water hose or outlet at the dump station and to the black tank flush inlet on the RV. Then turn on the water at the station and begin flushing. You should hear water coming through the black tank flush hose into the RV. Next, when you're satisfied that the black tank water is exiting clear from the sewer hose, turn off the black tank flush water and let the black tank drain for several more minutes until no more water is exiting the tank. I use a clear plastic elbow at the dump station inlet to check the flow. These clear plastic elbows are essential equipment to see the contents of the waste tanks and are available on our Amazon store. Next, while the black tank is draining, disconnect your black tank flush hose and stow it. I connect my hose to itself after use to keep it from dripping. Next, close the valve once you are satisfied that no water is draining from the black tank. I wait until I can't hear or see any more water coming from the black tank through the clear elbow before shutting off the black tank valve. Next, open the gray tank valve and allow it to drain thoroughly. it will take several minutes to empty. Next, once you are satisfied that the gray tank is fully drained, by neither seeing nor hearing any water draining, close the gray tank valve. Next, disconnect the sewer hose on the RV side and remember to replace the cap on the sewer outlet. Next, lift the sewer hose at the RV side and let it fully drain into the dump station inlet. Since the gray tank contents have rinsed the sewer hose, I usually do not spray out the sewer hose using the dump station water. However, I would spray out the sewer hose using the dump station water if I didn't have much gray water to dump. Next, remove and disassemble the sewer hose and stow it. I usually connect the sewer hose to itself to keep it from dripping. I use a large container with a lid in the bed of my truck to stow any sewer hoses, or I use a 5-gallon bucket with a lid when I'm only carrying a single sewer hose. Next, carefully remove your gloves inside out and dispose of them in the trash with the bleach wipe used earlier. Next, once the gloves and wipe are trashed, sanitize your hands, ensure everything is stowed, and leave the dump station. Next, when you have pulled away from the dump station, find a place to park and add a few gallons of fresh water to the black tank from the freshwater tank. Do this through the toilet inside your RV using your water pump. It is essential that you remember to leave 4 to 5 gallons of water in the freshwater tank to do this. Finally, add tank treatment to the black tank through the toilet. I usually fill the tank with 3 to 4 gallons of water, add the treatment, and add 1 more gallon to mix the treatment. I do this before I depart the campground and hit the road. I've used Happy Camper tank treatment for years because it has worked well to reduce odors while breaking down solids. Okay, that should do it. You can take this process with you next time you dump your RV holding tanks. Just remember to download the process document from johnmarucci.com. There will be a link in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, share it with friends on social media, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. This is John Marucci, and so long for now.